Wow, hello friends and family. Welcome back once more to Oya Kilome Talk. In a world full of distraction, noise, one thing remains constant: the peace and the power of prayers that we obtain from our Most High God, the Creator of heaven and of earth. Today we share the beauty of praying together as a family and the importance why parents should bring their children and loved ones to pray together. I bring you the topic this morning: a praying family. A praying family. Taking time together to pray as a family has helped and improved family peace and help promote family unity and pass from time to time the faith in the life of our children. Praying together as family has helped in strengthening the peaceful coexistence of the family and has created some sense of togetherness within the family dynamics. Praying together as family can help promote our children's sense of reasoning, spiritual awareness, and awakeness. I encourage parents today to learn how to pray together with their family. Now, what is a praying family? I don't know if you are having a praying family. What is a praying family? A praying family is a family that sets time apart to pray together. There is a set time to pray together. Most times at our lunchtime, before going to bed, while we are awake, preparing for our day-to-day activities. So it is important for parents to foster a deeper spiritual awakening through praying in the life of their children collectively. And let me tell you, as for me and my household, we will serve the Lord. Joshua 24 verse 15. Praying together as family is something that we must try as much as possible to encourage. Why do we need to pray as family? Why do we need to pray as family? As Christian, as Muslim, whatever faith you belong, it is important to pray as family. Prayer is not just words. It is a spiritual connection with God. Praying as a family connects the family to God. Praying together as a family simply means connecting yourself and your family to God. Every family that wants to succeed must be connected to God in prayers. Every family that wants to succeed must be connected to God in prayer. Now, let me encourage you, do this. Every family should establish a family praying time, more preferably morning before going out. We pray together, and also before going to bed if time permits. Parents should lead in prayers. Parents should also delegate their children also to pray. Children learn by watching. When they see us as parents pray, they develop the interest in praying. So I'm encouraging every one of us as family, we should pray together, because praying together will promote and strengthen the family bond. I would like you to like this video and comment and share to us how you and your family normally set time apart for prayers. Thank you. I still remain my humble self, EVG Dean UE Oya Kilome. Thank you and God bless you. Shalom. Parents.